Hey everyone, welcome back to CurioFinds, your go-to spot for the coolest, most mind-blowing inventions. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of one-wheeled vehicles. We'll take a look at 4 incredible types of monowheels, from futuristic self-balancing rides to wild, manually controlled machines. And trust me, you're not going to want to miss this, so hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and let's roll! First up, let's talk about the Ryno Microcycle, a sleek and compact vehicle that's perfect for urban mobility. This one uses gyroscopic sensors and self-balancing technology, similar to what you'd see on a Segway, to keep the rider upright. It's got a top speed of 10 miles per hour, 16 kilometers per hour, and can handle tight turns with ease, making it ideal for small space navigation. Imagine something straight out of a sci-fi movie. Next, we're moving on to something that's not just a monowheel, but a transforming one. Meet the Uno 3 by BPG Motors. This one starts in a self-balancing 2-wheel mode, but when it reaches higher speeds, a 3rd wheel extends to turn it into a tricycle for extra stability. Talk about a real-life transformer. Plus, did you know that the original prototype was created by a 17-year-old inventor? It's electric-powered, compact, and perfect for urban commuting. Now let's switch gears and check out the wild world of motorized monowheels. Specifically, the custom-built ones. These don't self-balance like the Ryno. Instead, they rely on the rider's body position and the gyroscopic effect of the moving wheel. Steering is all about shifting your weight, and you control acceleration and braking through engine power. While these monowheels have been around for over 100 years, some modern versions can reach high speeds and use motorcycle or electric engines. But be careful. Stopping can be tricky when you're inside the wheel. Finally, we've got the self-balancing electric unicycle, EUC. These bad boys don't need handlebars, just your legs to balance. With gyroscopes and accelerometers, the EUC keeps you stable while you ride. You control it by leaning forward to speed up, backward to slow down, and shifting your weight to turn. If you're looking for something compact and high speed, models like the InMotion V11, Gotway Monster Pro, and King Song S22 are top picks. And that's a wrap for today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss the next awesome find.